Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to showcase two bikes, FB Mondial HPS 300 and SWM SuperDual T. Well, both the bikes have no comparison between each other at all, except the fact that they both run on two wheels. I happened to visit the Avante Grande Motorized showroom. It's a multi-brand motorcycle showroom in Bangalore, located on Lavry Road. And I was lucky to get a test ride on these two babies. So let's look at the specs. Unfortunately, I wasn't carrying my GoPro, so I cannot show you guys the test ride videos, but I can definitely show you some videos which I captured while the bikes were on the showroom. So let's look at the first beauty. That's the Mondial HPS 300. So the FB Mondial HPS 300, it has a retro scrambler design. It gets a halogen headlamp, LED tail lamp and indicators. It has an 18-inch front wheel with knobby wheel tires, inverted suspension, a 9-liter fuel tank. Rear view mirrors are mounted at each end of the handlebar. The speedometer is digital and it shows all the basic information like the gear number, low fuel indicator. It has a 249cc cooled engine, 6-speed. The twin silencer looks very neatly done. It has a 17-inch rear wheel with disc brake. ABS is standard across this model, and these are the basic spec of the bike. You could actually pause the video and take a look at it. Bikes are introduced by Kinetic Motor Royal, and ex-showroom price is about 3.37 lakhs. I think Bangalore on road is about 4.5 lakhs. These bikes. While taking test ride, I did feel this bike is a little underpowered, but design wise it definitely a head turner, and since it's a 300cc category, I believe it will compete with the BMW G310 and KTM 390 Duke. Alright guys, let me know what you think about this bike, and if you have any questions please put that in this comment box below, and if you like this video please give a thumbs up. SW SuperDual T, I will review this bike, showcase this bike in my next video, so stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers guys.